Today we discuss the topic Euler graphs. First of all, we define the term Euler path. Euler path, it is a path that traverses each edge exactly once. For example, in this graph G, we have 4 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 edges E1, E2, E3, E4. A path defined as 1, E1, 2, E2, 3, E3, 4, E4, 1. So we start from 1 E1, 2, E2, then E3, then E4. So this path contains all the edges of this graph. So this is an Euler path, and a graph that contains Euler path, then that graph is called a Euler graph. A graph that contains an Euler path is called a Euler graph. Euler path is nothing but it is a path in which vertex can be repeated but edge can't. Edge is not repeated in this path. Euler graph is always connected because Euler path contains all the edges of the graph. Euler path contains all the edges of the graph exactly once. Therefore, Euler graph is always connected. Euler circuit. This is also an Euler circuit because it starts from the vertex 1 and ends to itself. A path starts from the vertex and ends to itself is known as circuit. Similarly, the Euler circuit in which first and last vertex are same. It is a circuit that traverses each edge exactly once. Then that circuit is called a Euler circuit. Also note that a connected graph is Euler graph if and only if it has at most 2 odd degree vertices. In an Euler graph, we have at most 2 odd degree vertices. That means there is no vertices with odd degree or one vertex with odd degree or maximum 2 vertex with a odd degree. Then in an Euler graph, okay. If that graph contains an Euler circuit, each vertex is of odd even degree. In an Euler circuit, each vertex is of even degree. For example, consider the graph. In this graph, we have an Euler path. Start from V1, V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V4, V4 to V2. Here we traverse through each edges of this graph. So we get an Euler path. So this is an Euler graph. Degree of V1 is 1. That's an odd degree vertex. Degree of V2 is 3. That's again an odd degree vertex. And degree of V3 is 2. Degree of V4 is again 2. So 2 odd degree vertices. So this is also an Euler graph with the maximum vertices of odd degree is 2. Find Euler path for the graph below. In this graph, start from the vertex A to C, C to D, D to A to B, B to D, D to E and E to B. In this traversal, we traverse all the edges. So this is an Euler path in this graph. So this is an Euler graph. What about the degrees of the vertices? Degree of A is equal to 3. Degree of B is equal to 1, 2, 3. And degree of C is equal to 2. And degree of D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And degree of E is equal to 2. So maximum number of odd degree vertices is 2. So this is an Euler graph. Can you find an Euler circuit in this graph? Now I start from V1, V1 to V2, V2 to V3, again V3 to V5, V5 to V4, V4 to V3, V3 to V1. So this is an Euler circuit. V1 to V2, V2 to V3, V3 to V5, V5 to V4, V4 to V3, and again V3 to V1. So this is an Euler circuit. What about the degree of each vertex? Degree of V1 is 2, degree of V2 is 2, degree of V3 is 4, and degree of V4 is 2, and degree of V5 is 2. All the vertices are of even degree. Either the graph has maximum number of odd degree vertices is 2, otherwise it has, if the Euler graph contains an Euler circuit, then all the vertices are of even degree. Okay. Is the graph Euler or not? If the graph is Euler, then we have to find an Euler path. Before that, you must check the degree of each vertices. Degree of A is 3, degree of B is 3, degree of C is 3, degree of D is 3, and what about degree of E? 1, 2, 3, 4. So degree of E is 4. Here we have 4 odd degree vertices. We have 4 odd degree vertices. We know that for an Euler graph, maximum odd degree vertices is 2. So we couldn't find an Euler path or Euler circuit in this graph. So this is not an Euler graph.